Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to find a lost television remote control. I'll be going over some easy steps to find it, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to hopefully find your lost TV remote. The first thing that you should do is most obviously look around the TV area. So most likely you lost your television remote around the TV area. So with that being said, that's where you want to start looking, because your TV remote can only control the TV around the TV area when it's close by, right? When the remote is close to the TV, relatively close, in range, that's when it can control it. So you're going to start off by looking there. That's most likely where it's going to be. And you want to just scan the area. Just scan. You don't need to move anything yet. Just scan the area. The first step is look around your TV area. The second step is to retrace your steps. Where was the last time that you used your television remote? Were you sitting on the couch? Were you in the kitchen? Were you sitting on the floor? Were you over there, let's say? Were you in a separate chair? Were you in a different room? Retrace your steps. The last time that you used the television remote, where were you? Okay? And that might not be where it is, because you might have used it and then carried it with you to another location, but you want to start off there with retracing your steps to the last place that you used it, okay? The third thing that you want to do is look under the things that are nearby the TV. So you already scanned the TV area and you retraced your steps, and if you still can't find it, now you want to start looking under things. Couch cushions, okay? Couch little pillows, those little pillows that you have on the couch, right? Throw blankets, like if you have a blanket or a cover of some sort around the couch area. Maybe there are some clothes around the couch area. You want to look under things, under the actual couch itself, under the television stand. You want to start looking under things, in drawers. There might be drawers nearby. You might have a shelf unit nearby. You want to look under things that might be hiding the television remote, and start off by doing that around the TV area, okay? Because it might just be hidden under it. I cannot tell you the number of times that I've lost my television remote and then I look underneath the cushion and that's where it is. Or underneath the couch, it somehow slid underneath the couch, okay? So keep that in mind. The fourth thing that you can do is stop and think. You want to literally stop and think where it might be. So we already went over retracing your steps, but now you want to stop and think, what are the areas or locations that the television remote might be in, okay? It can be realistically anywhere, so stop and think where the most likely places are, and then search those places first. And lastly, number 5, if you still can't find your television remote after doing all this, what I recommend is that you go room by room, okay? So you're gonna start in you already went through all the most likely scenarios, and it's not there, so now you're gonna just search, you're gonna cover all of your bases per se. So room by room, look under everything, in everything, on everything, and you will eventually find that television remote. As long as it's somewhere in or around your house, you will find it, okay? So that's basically it. Those are the steps to finding a lost TV remote. They're relatively easy steps. I went over the most common one that you would use, the most common ones, and work my way to the least likely ones that you would need to use, okay? So start with the easiest ones and work my way to the less common / hardest ones, okay? If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.